Hi, and welcome to Space Experiment. No, this is not Space Eggs. This is Space Eggs, like Easter eggs, periment. Or as I like to call it, a very elaborate Easter egg hunt version 2.0. So I've sent my favorite Easter egg brand into space. Or, well, let's call it nearly near space. We sent it up to 33-kilometer altitude and then hunted it down as it fell back down to Earth. Why did we do this? Well, we're still looking for a good answer for that, but mainly to have some fun while doing a small scientific experiment. So, at this point, we've already launched 16 different weird and wonderful instruments up to 35-kilometer altitude. So, why not add something different to one of our instruments? So, sit back and enjoy this video of maybe the very first Easter egg in nearly near space. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you want to see a video on a scientific explanation of what we saw in this video, for example, why did the Easter egg expand? And no, it's not because it was frozen. Please leave a comment and I can make a video about that. Or if you have any cool ideas of what we can send into space next time, also leave a comment. Bye-bye.
Minus 40 is actually yeah, that's true. That's actually minus 70. Minus 70 I think I'm going to eat the one inside because that puts the Oh, you're saying of course. Yeah, lick it up. Yum, yum. Still good? Still good. Is it special? Tiny little space? It's just special because of the Easter egg.